Semiconductor cleanrooms rank among the most controlled environments in modern industry. Inside these spaces, air, movement, and materials follow strict rules. One small mistake can compromise an otherwise immaculate environment. In this course, you will develop a clear picture of how semiconductor cleanrooms operate, how they remain clean, and why strict discipline is crucial at all times. You will explore cleanroom design, classifications, infrastructure, proper behavior, clothing, and safety practices. You will also get a chance to investigate the types of systems that control contamination. By the end of this course, you will understand how to work safely and effectively inside cleanroom environments across semiconductor and related industries. Welcome to Semiconductor Cleanroom Operation. Clean space, clear rules, controlled results.